2020 turned out to be a very unpredictable year with hardships like the COVID-19 pandemic, forest fires, travel restrictions, and lockdowns. If you're hoping that things would get better in 2021, you may have to think again. Predictions made by a blind Bulgarian soothsayer suggest that things would be otherwise in 2021. Baba Vanga, a mystic from Bulgaria who died 20 years ago, has predicted several things, and most of her predictions in the past have come true. What are the predictions made by Baba Vanga for 2021? The Bulgarian soothsayer has predicted that the world will suffer from cataclysm and great disasters in 2021. The soothsayer has also claimed that Islamic extremists will declare war on Europe and will use an arsenal of chemical weapons against the Europeans. Her predictions also say that the consciousness of people will change. People will be divided by their faith. Vanga's predictions also claim that there would be an attempt on the life of the Russian president Vladimir Putin. One of the bizarre claims made by Vanga for 2021 is that the dragon would overcome humanity in 2021. People say that the dragon could be China because of its increasing dominance of the world. She has also claimed that the 45th President of the United States will suffer from a mysterious disease and will be traumatized. She also claims that three giants will unite. The three giants are said to be Russia, China, and India. One of the good news in her predictions is that a cure for cancer would be found in 2021. She has said that humanity will get rid of cancer at the beginning of the 21st century, and a day will come when cancer will be tied down with iron chains. She has also claimed that within the next 200 years, humans will have made contact with aliens and life in the cosmos will be discovered, clearing doubts about how life first appeared on Earth. Some of Baba Vanga's earlier predictions that have come true are the 9/11 attacks. Vanga had predicted that America would be attacked by steel birds. Nearly 3,000 people were killed in America after 4 hijacked planes attacked the World Trade Center on 9/11. Vanga had also predicted the civil war in Syria, which has left more than 360,000 people dead and devastated cities. She has also said that Earth would be affected by global warming. It has now become a major concern for humanity. She also predicted that the 44th American president would be black. Barack Obama was the first African American president. Baba Vanga, whose real name was Vangelia Gustarova, was nicknamed the Nostradamus of the Balkans because of her predictions. Vanga lost her vision at the age of 12 and had apparently claimed that she was given a very rare gift from God to see into the future. Followers of the mystic claim that 85% of her previous predictions have come true. Many doubt the legitimacy of her prophecies because they are not written down. Her predictions are drawn from research by George Lazanov, a former director of the Bulgarian Institute of Suggestology.